Hi and welcome to LTN Property Show with me, Sharon Ongao. Now today we'll be featuring Vesta Gardens Apartments that's located in Kilimani along Gong Road. And just where I'm standing, by the way, as you can see, we have a very big parking lot. This is the first parking lot, plus they have 2 parking lots in the basement. Welcome to this location and come feature it. As promised, we are joined by Lucy Karanja, who is the sales representative of Vesta Gardens Apartments. Lucy, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Sharon. And
So,
thank you for having us.
Very true. So you have a nice view, first of all. I have
Thank
to
you.
applaud this.
Thank
Very
you.
nice, very beautiful.
Yes.
So maybe to our LTN viewers, you can take us through the Vesta Gardens Apartments. When was the groundbreaking, where it's located, maybe as we start the show?
Okay. Thank you, Sharon, for having us. So Vesta Garden, it's a residential apartments. So the groundbreaking started in 2017 and completion was in early 2019. And towards April, we had our first tenants move in.
Nice.
So Vesta Garden Apartments, it's a set of 2-bedroom apartments, and we also have another set of 3-bedroom apartments. We have 3 with DSQ, whose size is 160 square meters, and we also have another set of the 3 bedrooms, which size is 140 square meters, and then the 2 bedrooms, the size is 116 square meters. Yes.
How many blocks are there? Because this apartment is so big, as you can tell even from this place.
Yes. In total, we have 8 blocks, which totals to 112 units, and 56 of which are the 2 bedrooms. Then we have a set of 28 apartments, which are the 3 bedrooms without DSQ, and another set of 28 apartments, which are the 3 bedrooms with DSQ. But the good thing with our apartment, though we have 112 units per floor on each wing, it's only 2 apartments per floor. So there's privacy. Yes.
With how many floors, to be specific?
We have 14 floors. After the 14th floor, then we have the rooftop, which is accessible to all the residents. So we haven't fully completed the rooftop, but it will be a relaxation area. Like where we are seated, we'll bring tables and chairs, so it will be a relaxation area on this wing, and we also have another wing on the other end, which will also be a relaxation area for residents only.
For only residents?
Yes.
All right, so nice. So before we even start speaking about amenities within this place, within Vesta Gardens Apartments, let's talk about surrounding and amenities, because when one is looking for a house, many people normally tend to prefer whatever is situated next to the buildings, you know. So maybe within this place where we are at, which amenities are there?
It's a perfect location, Sharon, because it's strategically located just along the Gong Road.
Yeah.
And within us, we have the best schools, and also for social amenities, we're just near 5 minutes walk to the Prestige Plaza, which would be to this side. Yeah. Then Yaya is also just 5 minutes walk from here, and also Adlife. And we have schools like the French school. And also for hospitals, we're just near the Nairobi Hospital, Nairobi Women's Hospital, and also the Nairobi Hospital. So it's very strategically located and so very ideal to everyone. Yes.
Nice. So let's talk about the amenities that are in Vesta Gardens Apartments. Which amenities do you offer? Okay, for amenities, we have a fully equipped gym, which is just for the residents, and we also have a swimming pool. So that one is also only for residents. And we also have a backup generator which serves the common areas and the lifts. So in total we have 4 lifts. 4 lifts. So each lift serves 2 blocks. Yes. Nice. And you don't have to worry about there being a power outage and you have to use the stairs because we have a backup generator. So it's very ideal. And our apartments are also water secure, because we have both the city council water and we also have an underground tank. Oh yeah.
Yes.
What and the source of water for the underground tank comes from where?
It's a borehole. There's a borehole.
Oh, nice.
So we have a borehole on site too. Yes.
I know people might be asking, Sharon, you're just asking about the amenities,
yes,
about the units. Now let's talk about the pricing, because that's the elephant of the room, because each and every person, investors, would like to know how much are the units.
Sure.
Maybe you can take us through.
Sure, gladly. So for our apartments, they are very price friendly. So like for the two bedrooms,
I like the term price friendly.
It is. It is. And our prices are also negotiable.
Okay.
So like for our 2 bedrooms, which are all en suite plus an extra guest cloakroom, and the size is 116 square meters. The asking price is 12 million.
Okay.
But it's negotiable.
Negotiable.
So depending on the client's payment plan, they get a good discount. And for payment options, we accept cash, installments, and also mortgage. So for our installment and mortgage clients, you just need a 20% deposit to secure the unit.
Okay.
And then we work with your payment plan. Yes.
And how about the 3 bedroom?
The 3 bedrooms, we have the 3 without SQ. Again, all the 3 bedrooms will be fully en suite, plus the extra guest cloakroom. The size is 140 square meters. And all of our apartments, even the 2 bedrooms, they come with 2 balconies.
2 balconies?
Yes.
From the sitting room and the kitchen
living area,
All
yes,
right.
balcony, and also the wash area balcony. So for the 3 bedrooms without DSQ, the price will be asking price 14 million, which is also again negotiable.
All right, and on that note, we're taking a short break. Don't go away, because after the short break, we'll be coming back and with Lucy to the show house just to showcase what Vesta Apartments have. Don't go away.
Welcome to our show house, Sharon. So
Sana.
this is our show house. It's a 2-bedroom house.
Nice.
Yes.
Kwanza, there's something I noticed on the door. What is this on the door?
Yes, Sharon. So our doors, they come with a doorbell. So on the outside, it's a doorbell that you can ring so that the door is open for you. And from inside, the owner it has a peephole. So the owner can always look and see before opening the door who's at the door. Yeah. So all the doors come with this feature. Yes.
Nice, Lucy. And I can see the lighting is good.
Yes.
So maybe
because we have the French windows on the living area, so there's enough natural lighting. So Sharon, please have a seat.
Asante sana.
Thank you.
Maybe you can also have a seat
Thank
so
you.
that you can talk about this nice showroom.
Thank you.
So tell us much more about this place. This is a 2-bedroom, right?
Yes. So this is an ideal 2-bedroom on our apartment, our property. So this is the living area. So it comes with a gypsum ceiling. You can see even the lights. So even the gypsum comes with lights, and it also comes with the
TV area.
Yes, the gypsum wall unit, and it opens to the living area balcony.
Nice. I didn't notice about the living room area.
Yes.
So the living room area has a nice balcony.
Yes, it does, and it's very spacious. You'll be able to see it. Yes, and it also has a dining area on the other side, and the kitchen, an open plan kitchen. So for all of our apartments, they come with an open plan kitchen, but we do have those clients who don't like
open plan.
Yes. So there's also space for you to modify. So there's a way you can close it. Yes.
So you
can modify
kidogo,
wengine hataki ikiwa so open. This is the modern way.
Okay.
Yeah, but you can still, for those who want a closed kitchen, you can still close it.
Yeah, in fact there's a way, I can even see there's a way someone can even close it.
Yes, you can. You can.
Let's talk about, it has also like the fitted gas cooker.
Yes, it has an allocation for the cooker, and there's enough cabinets for your storage, and there's also a built-in place for the gas cooker, so for the gas cylinder, sorry. So if you're using a gas cylinder, there's a allocation for that too. Yeah, and there's enough cabinets, and you can see it's spacious enough to hold everything, even your fridge. Yes.
Let's talk about the bedrooms now.
Sure. So the bedrooms are fully en suite, both bedrooms. In most areas that you go to, or most properties, you'll find that it's a master en suite. But for our 2 bedrooms, for our apartments, both bedrooms are fully en suite, plus the extra guest cloakroom for the guests.
I was just about to ask about the guests. How about the guests?
Yes, we do. We do have an extra guest cloakroom. So in total, it's like we have 3 bathrooms for 2-bedroom apartments. And the size again, it's 116, which is still a very spacious apartment. And our apartments also come with sliding wardrobes, so the wardrobes won't take any of your space, so you're able to fit in a big bed.
So they come with the slide wardrobes.
Yes, sliding wardrobes.
Any other extra, like you talked about the gypsum, any other extra decor that it comes with?
Okay, another thing I can maybe share is that you'll be able to see our finishing is very good, and also the tiling, the tiles that we've used. So you'll be able to notice the difference for the living area and the kitchen area. So for the kitchen area and the bathrooms, we've used the anti-skid tiles, so that because when you're in the kitchen and the bathroom, there is water. So we've used the anti-skid tiles. So even if it's wet, you won't be able to have any faults. So that's another added advantage.
And then at Vesta Apartments, you know, when it comes to security, it's a key point to each and every investor.
I know.
What are some of the points or like the key areas that you put security areas in?
Yes, for us at Vesta Garden Apartments, we've put these in consideration.
Okay.
So first thing, we have BM security, and we also have a perimeter wall with an electric fence on top, and to add to that, we have CCTV in the property, and also we have access doors. You'll see at our lobby, we've installed access doors. So that controls also the entry. So even for the guests who are coming, the owner needs to allow them in. So without an access card, you won't be able to enter.
Okay.
Especially towards the lift areas. So it's restricted. Yes.
And even one thing I noticed about the doors, if you open the door from outside, I mean, if you close the door from outside, even without a key, it locks.
You can, yes. So our doors have the smart lock technology.
Nice
so
feature.
Once you are outside, from the inside you can easily open even without the key. But once you're outside, once you close it, you can't access it, you can't open it again without the key. So that's a security advantage still. So the place is very secure. Yes.
So Lucy, anyone would want to buy a property at Vesta Apartments, what should they, I mean, like when it comes to marketing, how do you let people or investors know about the units? Do you have like numbers or social media pages? How do you go about it?
Yes, we do have the office numbers, which I shall be able to share with you.
Maybe you can just share. Or we will just share or put them on crawlings. It's okay. We just do that.
Yes. So we have an office line. So we have the office numbers, which I'll share with you.
We'll just put them on TV here.
Yes. So every client who's interested, they can give us a call and they can visit us on site, because we are located in Kilimani along Gong Road, just across Gong Hills Hotel. Yes.
That's
so
even accessible.
You can visit us, and we are open daily from Monday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So they're all welcome.
They're all welcome.
Yes.
I guess that's it for the interview, unless you have something to add, Lucy.
Maybe just to share that this is a very ideal property for someone looking to invest or to live as a family. So it's very serene, very secure, and our prices are very friendly. And for investment, those people who are purchasing for investment, it has very good returns, because for like these 2-bedroom, if you purchase it for investment, the rent for the 2 bedrooms, it's 75,000. per month.
Okay, nice.
So you get a good return for your investment. And you can also furnish it and rent as furnished. And when you do this, the return doubles. Yes, because as an estimate for a furnished 2-bedroom apartment within this area, it's between 150 to 200
a month.
Yes,
yeah, that's good return.
So it's a good return for your investment. And to live in too, it's a friendly place. We have the right amenities. There's a gym, there's a swimming pool, and we are close to all the social amenities. So it's very ideal and very strategically located.
Thanks a lot, Lucy. Indeed, the pleasure was all mine for taking us through this property. Indeed, you guys have a nice place, and the locations and the views, they're so nice.
Thank you.
And I know with this pandemic, I wouldn't want to finish this interview before talking about the COVID-19 pandemic. How has it affected your business? Has it even affected your business in one way or the other?
Yes, in a way it has. It has affected our business because some of our clients, they are a bit hesitant to purchase at this time. But also, it has been good because due to the pandemic, that's why we are able to make our prices to be flexible. That way it allows more clients to be able to afford to purchase an apartment. And also, we are still, I thank God, we are still able to make sales, which is good. And I think mostly this is because the prices have been made flexible, so more people are able to purchase an apartment at a good price. And also there are those clients whose savings, maybe they've saved in a fixed deposit account, so the savings are maturing. So given that, they're still able to invest. Yes.
Thanks so much.
And also those who've taken like insurance policies which are maturing, so they are also able to invest. So thankfully, we are still able to make sales.
Thanks so much, Lucy.
You're welcome.
And indeed, that's it that we had time for this interview.
Thank you.
The pleasure is all ours.
Thank you, Sharon. And we also appreciate you. And thank you for hosting us.
Asante sana. And to the LTN viewers, that marks the end of today's LTN Property Show with me, Sharon Omar. We just showed you the show house. If you like this, the numbers are on the screen. If you want to purchase any house in this building, the numbers are on the screen. That's the marketing team. And that marks the end of today's show. Until next time, my name is Sharon Omar.